The governor's trip to the nation's capital will focus on the military buildup and the programmatic agreement. In fact, the governor says he spoke with Navy Undersecretary Robert Work this morning about the progress of the programmatic agreement negotiations. When he last met with Work, the governor pushed for an agreement that would include what he refers to as the 4 pillars, namely that 24/7 access would be allowed to Pauget Village and Pauget Caves, that the military would reduce its overall footprint on Guam, that they would use a one Guam approach to the buildup and a green Guam approach to the buildup.
I would like to see to ensure that those 4 pillars are dealt with, some of it within the programmatic agreement, some of it within parallel agreements. I would like to do it before I leave, but if not, then when we sit down there in Washington, D.C., that's the best opportunity to work with the folks that can make those decisions, that can speed up the bureaucrats to ensure that the best interests of the people of Guam are formalized and ratified in the programmatic agreement and other necessary agreements that need to be made.
While the meetings in Washington will be focused on the military buildup, there are a lot of other issues that need to be resolved, including long-standing issues.
It's important while we're out there is to focus on the military buildup, but also use this leverage for other areas.
For example, things like war reparations or even the visa waiver program that would allow easier access to Guam and the CNMI for tourists from China and Russia.
This is an issue that is so important to Guam for expanding our tourism industry, and it's actually critical for the CNMI because without it, it could be another nail in their coffin in terms of their economic situation. I do believe that if the Department of Defense comes up to the plate and advises Homeland Security that they do not have an issue with the parole visa waiver program, and as a matter of fact, they would back us on it, then some of the concerns that Homeland Security has, as far as I'm concerned, become irrelevant.
The governor is also concerned about the developments of the Futenma Marine Base relocation. Okinawans are opposed to relocating the base to a northern coastal rural province. Secretary Gates has said that without the relocation of Futenma, there will be no movement of Marines to Guam. To discuss this matter, the governor will meet with members of the Department of State.
The Department of State has a lot at stake. This is a treaty which was, again, pushed forward by the Department of State. So I would like to see them as also champions for Guam's cause. And in the issues in regards to the internal politics of Japan, the State Department probably would be the closest federal entity in dealing with those issues.